What if your business kept selling, even when you're not awake? Welcome to the world of omnichannel marketing automation, the secret high-tech strategy successful brands are using in 2025 to scale faster than ever before. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to build an automated revenue machine that works across multiple platforms, even while you sleep. Whether you're an entrepreneur, freelancer, or marketer, stick with me and learn the system top businesses are quietly using to dominate their competition. What is omnichannel marketing automation? Omnichannel marketing automation means connecting all of your customer touchpoints, email, SMS, social media, ads, chatbots, and your website, so that they work together automatically. Instead of chasing customers manually across platforms, automated systems respond, upsell, and remarket for you, 24/7/365. This allows your business to follow your customer everywhere online with personalized messages that feel natural. And it's how small businesses are suddenly scaling like global brands. Map the customer journey. Step 1 is to map the journey your customer takes. They might first see your YouTube short, then visit your website, sign up via email, get a discount via SMS, and finally buy after seeing a retargeting ad. The goal? Make sure every one of those steps is automated. Start with these simple tools. Funnel mapping platform, like Funnelytics. CRM, like HubSpot or Go High Level. Behavior tracking, like Segment or Metapixel. Build your automation tech stack. Next, you need your tech stack. Here's a high-tech combo the pros use in 2025. Zapier connects everything together. Klaviyo or MailerLite, email plus SMS flows. ManyChat, automated replies on Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp. Meta Ads plus Google Ads, for retargeting. Shopify/Thrivecart, for auto-checkout and one-click upsells. Once connected, they fire automatically. Someone abandons cart? They instantly receive a reminder email plus a messenger follow-up plus a TikTok ad of the same product. And you didn't lift a finger. Personalization at scale. Generic marketing doesn't work in 2025. Customers want hyper-personalized content. The automation sends different messages based on what they clicked, which product page they visited, whether they're a new or returning customer. That's how brands boost sales by 30 to 70%, just by being more relevant. Show people exactly what they want, even if it runs while you sleep. Retarget across all platforms. Now comes the money part, omnichannel retargeting. Your automation follows people from YouTube, Instagram, email, SMS, checkout. They might ignore one, but they won't ignore all. High-tech businesses use Metapixel, TikTok Pixel, Google remarketing tags to show the customer exactly where they left off. That's why you suddenly see the same products everywhere. It's not magic, it's modern marketing. Case study example. For example, brand XYZ sells finance ebooks. Using omnichannel automation, they heavy checkmark spend $100 per day on TikTok and YouTube ads. Heavy checkmark capture emails via a free checklist. Heavy checkmark use Klaviyo to send 10-day automated emails. Heavy checkmark retarget cold leads on Instagram. They now make $1,800 per day on autopilot, with 90% of work front-loaded. Mistakes to avoid. Common mistakes beginners make. Too many tools that don't talk to each other. Spamming customers with generic messages. Not tracking which channel converts. Use fewer tools, be hyper-targeted, and let data guide your decisions. Ready to build a system that sells for you while you sleep? Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe because next week I'm revealing my personal omnichannel automation funnel you can copy for your business. Comment automate below if you want the free PDF blueprint linked in the description. See you in the next video.